Okay, y'all, my discovered card just took a shit. Okay, about that are we having fun yet thing? We'll discuss it further in detail, but so far we've been on the road for 2 minutes and the rear view mirror flew off. Hi. Doesn't my hair look great? Yeah, it does. This is what RVing is going to be about, huh? We'll talk more after I've had a cocktail, which is not going to be for another hour and a half because that's how long it's going to take to get home. Let's buy an RV, he said. It'll be fun, he said. It'll be an adventure, he said. Now he said the mirror flew off in the first 5 seconds that we were driving the damn thing, he said. 2 miles down the road.
You think this will work?
The very bumpy road. So we are gonna, I don't know.
Rig it?
We're gonna rig it.
At least it's a convex mirror.
Yep.
I already dropped it once.
Did you really?
I put it there and it rolled off.
No, for crying in a bucket.
It's got a little scratch in it.
See, I'm being really good not saying the, the F-bomb or whatever, but so here we are at the place next to the Loves.
Cottondale cocktail.
On 231 South on Cottondale.
Might have to hold this.
And I'm going to probably have to put the phone down because I'm probably going to have to help him by holding it. So anyway, this is fun.
Just hit pause.
More to follow.